Really? Are you serious?
Hey guys.
Can you stop that?
It's by Sonia.
Hi guys, welcome to another beautiful vlog. How you guys doing? Welcome to another beautiful Vlogmas. Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning, please do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly do not forget in this vlog I will be making food, and as I'm making food I'll be doing one or two things. So at this point I want to make sure I'm boiling my water since there's light. You know, whenever there's light you have to make use of it, okay? And when I'm boiling my water I'll be doing other things at the same time. This is my first time of using dry bitter leaf, okay? So I got the salt and I have to pour it inside my container, not like the one that's inside this finisher, but I bought extra so I don't get to that point whereby I have to exhaust all my things before buying, okay? So once I see there's many small, I just rush and buy so that I don't get to run out, okay? I also buy a waste bin bag, and let's get so right about started. Now if you're hearing any vam, just know that generator is about to be on, okay? And who they check, who they balance. This is me particularly trying to know how to use this thing, and at the end of the day the thing brought light. I was so happy. I was like, no more lighter, I'll just be using my hand to be doing it directly, okay? So anyways, I went to the market and I got some stuff that I will be cooking soup, and I also got gari. So that's all the stuff that I'm showing you one after the other, okay? So I'm just throwing them inside there, and then I get to clean my bucket and then start pouring my gari. Jen is on, my father. Jen no on. Definitely this vlog will continue. Nothing is going to stop us, okay? So after pouring my gari, I just start packing my dirty things inside the bag, and this is me showing you guys the gari, and then I will be cleaning the rubber top as well. There is vam everywhere in my ear. The fan too don't they do vam for my ear. So anyways, let's clean and then enjoy the rest of this vlog. Oh my god, who they check? See the way I'm gonna light this. I know some people will be like, oh, why is she doing like this? You guys don't understand. Like, I'm so happy. Like, cooking is now very easy when you get to cook more, triple, four things the same time, you know. I'm getting somewhere, okay? So enjoy the rest of this vlog, and I'll see you guys later. So guys, this is me. I'm done cooking and I'm just cleaning up the gas, and boom, my hubby came back from work. I was so excited when I saw him, okay? And then he followed me to the kitchen. He said, "Wait, I'll be the one to carry this food for you." He carried the food with such an excitement and like I can't even explain. He was so excited. He was just singing and we were just joking and every other stuff, yeah. So this is we sitting down. I practically tried to eat. You guys can even believe that this man opened this food and start licking the the cover of the plates. I don't even know what to explain. Anyway, I'll let you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys later. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Enjoy, subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay.
Oh my god, it's like so cold. You bought a Elsa? Okay. Elsa.
I like it.
I know.
Guys, come and eat. In this eating, there is no forming.
We've not prayed. Pray.
Father is sanctified. Also provide for the next privilege.
Amen.
And thank you for this kind of lovely privilege you've given to me. Blessed be your name. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
That's your hands.
Hmm? Baby, you want to disgrace yourself, Abby?
Guys, I used to say, take the first bite.
Hey,
But
and I don't tell people today. Oh.
today is me. People should read me in the comment section. Can you please have the first bite?
Or people should take the first kanda.
First bite that has kanda on top. As in the first bowl of gari, the kanda on top, and only one kanda. First kanda bite. Which one will you take? Let me know in
First
the
kanda.
comment section.
How's the food?
Premium content food.
Our first.
This food is Sosan kitchen food.
Thank you, baby.
What I go? When you eat this food, you have deep insights
Deep understanding.
and revelation. Mm.
How's
If I
it?
didn't marry you, it would have been my biggest mistake.
You see, if you did not marry me, I would say, if he did not marry me, it would have been his biggest mistake. You see? Be a good wife. And I go say no. Let me show you my baby very well.
For the benefit of those that don't know me, I am Mr. Soundabas, the Igbo of Sosan Kingdom.
How you guys should take?
Yes, let the guys keep taking. Baby,
Sir,
you touch my soul.
I thought you were so. Don't talk when eating, guys.
Sabu mama sa adoro kwa na nka nwanne.
Like them with a ball and
Tell manners, you don't talk while eating, but in this one, if you don't confess the truth that this food is so delicious, you are wrong.
you are really, really
You
wrong.
don't confess it, the food will choke. Someone in India.
Oh my god. Okay, did you chat you up?
So I gave him times 7.
I'm the wife material, Liba.
He said the trip for the food.
I'll be full option. I trip for the food. Just imagine say I can't go cutlery school. Hey,
It's one good thing. I'm going to teach your teacher.
I do teach them now how to cook. Guys, subscribe, like, comment. If you're watching from Facebook, please follow us. We bring premium content to your table.
Subscribe, like, comment so that you have one candle.
It's not easy.
Just one candle.
But look my baby enjoy this food, I bet. Let me end the vlog.
We finished the food, and this is me cleaning the dining table to make sure that everything is nice and clean. Let me know in the comment section. Do you like my hair? Do you like my hair? Say it in the comment section. Anyways, I know that you guys have already seen this in the other video that I uploaded. Then I was doing my Sunday routine, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So yeah, the vlogmas is giving anyways. So this is the next morning, and my hubby is going to work, and I was like, let me capture this moment, Squanu. So he was like, come and capture, and he was just playing and joking around with me. Okay, so yeah. So guys, I made catfish pepper soup since my husband, he doesn't eat catfish, so I added it with unripe plantain. So yeah, I'll be enjoying this. You guys should come and eat, okay? Yeah.